Hi there. Today I want to use four lithium ion batteries to demonstrate how to inspect and connect to make 12 volts 100 amperes hour lithium batteries for general use. You can use for car audio, camper van. There's also many other applications. Normally when you buy with Amazon or maybe uh, eBay, you got the batteries. The first step you will check and then install. So today for doing this, we have prepared the scissor, spanner, adjustable spanner, and this connector will come with these batteries and a tape. And this tape is high temperature tape. But today we are not going to use it. One multimeter for check the voltage. Here we also have one 100 amperes BMS. It's specially designed for this 100 amperes hour lithium batteries, and there's some other connecting wires for this BMS. Today, as the first step, I will not use BMS. I just want to demonstrate how to inspect the new batteries which you received and how to connect to make it 12 volts and do the some check-ins. The first thing when you receive the batteries, I think you have to check the shape, whether it has damage or not. As you can see, this is this battery I got. And I have kept all one side positive. This is all positive side. This side is all negative. So this will be easier for me to connect into 12 volts later on. And I'm going to check each of them how much voltage is in to make sure whether it's already balanced before this manufacturer send out. 3.28 volts for first cell, and second cell 3.28. Third cell is also 3.28. Fourth cell 3.28. Okay, perfect. That means the balance is already done. Normally when we fabricate these batteries, we will use the tape or something, double-sided sticker to put in between each cells to make it stable. But today I will not use. I just want to connect and make sure it's working as 12 volts. As I said, one side I kept in positive, one side is kept in negative, so it will be easier. I want to use this as totally negative output and this side as a totally positive output. So it's very simple, just a few jumpers. I will connect like this, like this, like this. So this current will go in through here. Current positive, negative, positive, then negative, like this. When you're connecting this, you have to make sure you are connecting properly, positive and negative. If you doing some mistake, this battery will give you some big spark. It's really dangerous. So this is really simple, but it's also a little bit risky. This nut is a self-locking nut, so it's different with other type of batteries, the connectors, which they have spring washers or big washers. But this one no need. It's self-locking nut and no need the washers, just directly tight, and it will prevent from losing. For this nut, it's M8. If you want, you can check on the internet how much torque is designed for M8 bolt and nut. try to prevent over talking, otherwise this inside inside this terminal may be damaged. This is 100 amperes hour, but you can, if you have some special requirement, you can also have a constant discharge around 300 amperes. It's no problem. This, as per the description, is like this. In the next 2 days, or maybe I will make another video to try to discharge, see how much current we can draw. Okay, not too much tight. So whenever you tie it, you have to be very careful, because you are connected to positive and negative, so don't touch other terminals. It's quite dangerous if you touch other terminals. Be brave, but be careful. This is not so good to lose it. If you connect this, it's better use a box spanner. Seems like we have to replace one thread. One nut. This nut is not so good. Ah, this one is good. Okay, that is good. If you are using on some place which you don't want to use BMS, you can also install one big fuse. Maybe it depends how much current, maximum current you want to take from these batteries. If it's less than 100, I suggest you to use 100 amperes fuse. So this will prevent any high current discharge. Okay, now we found this voltage is 13.14. That means the connection is good. Now all the connection is done. So if you don't want to use BMS, you can use like this now. Just take the totally positive output from here and totally negative output from here. And the wire you can arrange like 8 or maybe 16 square millimeters cable to use as totally output. Okay, this is it.